Hi everyone, I am Professor Shyamala, working as Dean Planning and Director Center for Informatics and Statistics in SI University. Whenever we want to write an academic paper, it is a time consuming process and we don't know how to generate our ideas into a structured paper. Some of the AI tools can support in academic writing and it helps in idea generation, literature review, improving the clarity of the paper, and also it helps in structuring the paper. Totally, it saves the time in drafting, editing, and formatting the manuscript. However, we have to be ethical and responsible as it supports the researchers. It is not a replacing tool, just it can be used for supporting purpose. Here in this session, I am going to explain you about some of the AI tools which is used for academic writing. And the first one we will see about Canva. It is an infographic tool and a data visualizer. It helps in simplifying the complex research data and concepts into a digestible, visually appealing format. How it works is the Canva allows the researchers to create clear, customizable visualization such as bar charts, pie chart, line graph, scatter plot, and effectively convey the data, making it more understandable than the lengthy text. Whenever you give a lengthy text, it will be difficult for the readers and it is a time consuming process to read the whole paragraph. Instead, we will be making it more convenient and understandable if it is represented in an infographic means. It also enables the creation of infographics that can be used for summarizing the research findings, trends, or key data points, which helps the audience to grasp the complex concept without needing to dive into technical detail. These visual tools makes academic research more accessible to non-specialist policymakers and interdisciplinary research. The academic writing is often dense and Canva offers to enhance the layout and design of the report, making it easier to navigate and to read. It also helps in formatting the academic paper, dissertation, or report by adding the values of the design elements like borders, titles, header, footer, page number, and finally, it provide a polished and professional look to your manuscript. It has a flexible layout tools which allow to customize the margin, spacing, fonts to meet the specific guidelines. We have a pre-designed templates also. We can use the templates according to our requirement. We can change the visual elements like colored header, highlighted codes, and also section divider, making it easier for the readers to follow the content, and also it also helps to emphasize the key findings and the conclusion. And the next tool is Writeful. Writeful is an AI powered writing tool which is designed to help improve academic writing. It also assists the researchers and the students in enhancing their writing by offering the real-time suggestions. You can get the feedback based on the existing academic language. The grammar and style improvement also you can do with the help of Writeful. It helps in refining the sentence structure, grammar, and academic style by providing suggestions which is tailored to scholarly writing. It also ensures clarity, precision, and formality which are essential in academic writing. The language enhancement also you can do with the help of Writeful. The Writeful analyzes your writing against a vast database of academic literature and suggests improvement to help match the tone and vocabulary of the typically used scholarly work. It can be used to identify repetitive or awkward phrasing, helping you to improve readability and coherence across the paper. We can also use Writeful for citation checking. It assists in checking the accuracy of the citations and references, ensuring that it is being aligned with the academic formatting. Example, you can change to any of the formatting style like APA, IEEE, MLA, and so on. Similarly, we can use Writeful for paraphrasing and rewording also. Writeful can suggest alternative ways to express ideas while maintaining the original meaning, which is useful when rewarding sentences to improve clarity or flow. It also helps to structure the paragraph and sections logically. It ensures the paper flow from one idea to the next idea. So you can use the Writeful in an effective manner to improvise your paper. The next tool which we are going to see is ChatGPT. This name is very familiar to most of us, and the ChatGPT can assist the researchers in formulating a focused, clear, researchable question by offering suggestions and feedback on existing draft. It can also guide the exploration of relevant topics, identify the gaps in existing literature, helping to narrow down the research focus. From the broadened area, you can narrow down to a focused research. Similarly, for organizing, structuring the paper, also you can use the ChatGPT. It can help the researchers design a well organized outline for their paper, ensuring the sectional flow logically. It provides suggestions for structuring the introduction, literature review, methodology, results, discussions, and conclusion, ensuring that the paper adheres to the academic standards and logical progression, enhancing clarity, precision, academic style. The ChatGPT improves the clarity and precision of writing by suggesting rewording, eliminating the ambiguity, and ensuring the text maintenance in a formal and academic tone. It also helps to refine your sentence, making the content more readable. It assists with the methodology and data presentation. Suppose if you want to present your data, for example, you have a methodology in a paragraph and it have to be converted into a flow chart. That also you can take the help of the chat GPT. And one more thing here I want to emphasize again and again, it is a helping tool or it will give you some ideas. It is not that you have to copy the thing. Again, AI plagiarism is there. It is not ethical to copy down everything from the chat GPT. And most of the book chapters nowadays or the conferences nowadays mentioning that the AI written work is not advisable and we will be rejecting the AI written work. So sometimes you can get the feedback, that is the most helpful. You can upload your paper and you can get the feedback for refining paper's clarity. Constructive feedback can be obtained from the chat GPT. This is like a reviewer which reviews your paper and provides you certain citation practices and ensures the integrity by guiding the researchers, how the paraphrase can be done correctly and how the citing can be done. It also provides to avoid the plagiarism when you follow only for supporting tool. Next, we will see a other tool, grammar and punctuations checking. Here, Grammarly is used for academic writing to ensure proper grammar usage. It automatically detects errors like misplaced commas, incorrect verb, tenses, subject verb, and the agreement issues also, which is essential for maintaining the formality and clarity of the scholarly paper. It also provides suggestions for improving the sentences, making the sentences more concise, clear, and academically appropriate. It highlights the overly complex and awkward structures, and it provides you simple alternative, ensure that your writing is more readable and engaging for an academic audience. It can also able to change the style and tone of the manuscript. Suppose if it is a colloquialism or a casual language which is being used in a scholarly article, and if it have to be modified into an academic tone, that can also be done using ChatGPT. Whether it's argumentative, descriptive, analytical, the paper meets the academic standards can be ensured by using Grammarly. Plagiarism checker is also available in Grammarly, and you can check the plagiarism. It can scan the documents and it can and check against the vast database of academic papers and websites, helping the researchers to ensure that the originality of the paper is maintained, and it helps to avoid unintentional plagiarism and maintain the academic integrity. So overall, Grammarly can be used to improve the grammar of your paper, and the academic tone of the paper can be maintained in an effective way. The next tool which we are going to see is Reference Manager. Here in the Reference Manager, Mendeley helps the researchers to store and manage the reference in a centralized digital library. Here you can have access to Mendeley. It is a free tool, and you can download the articles, books from the database, and you can store it in a Mendeley. Sometimes if you don't have the full PDF of the paper also, you can use DOI and you can store it in your library. And there is a possible to create a folder for different specific topics, and when you are working on a specific topics, you can open it and you can use that papers or the projects for referencing purpose, citation purpose. Mendeley also use the search across the references, abstracts, and PDF, enabling them to quickly locate relevant information for their writing project. You can read your manuscript in the Mendeley also. The automatic citation is one of the best option in the Mendeley. So whenever you are providing the styles like APA, MLA, Chicago, or IEEE format directly in the word processor, you can have it and the Word as an extension, and directly in the Word itself, Word document, Microsoft Word document itself, you can cite and add as a plugin extension and connect to Mendeley. You can cite it and add a bibliography in a very minimal time duration. Mendeley also ensures citation consistency throughout the paper. It helps to prevent the error inconsistencies in referencing format, which is critical for the academic integrity. The next tool which we are going to see is the Quillbot. Quillbot is normally paraphrasing and rewriting tool. You have an idea, you know the concept, and you are writing the sentence on your own. Still, you are not happy with the writing. You want to take a help of AI tool. You can use Quillbot. Here, you can rewrite the sentence without changing the original meaning, and also it improves the clarity of the paper. It is also useful for avoiding plagiarism, rewording complex text, and enhancing the overall flow of academic writing. So, Quillbot refines the sentence structure to ensure academic writing is clear and concise. It simplifies the complex idea, making them more accessible while maintaining the depth and formal tone required in scholarly paper. Quillbot also suggests synonyms for words, allowing the researchers to diversify their vocabulary. This features helps to avoid repetition and enhance the quality of writing by providing alternatives for overused words, adding variety to the text. Grammar and style. Quillbot also provides basic grammar checks, ensuring writing is error free. It also adjusts the tone of the writing, ensuring the academic style remains formal, professional, and aligned with the conventions of the scholarly work. In summarizing, Quillbot condenses long article research paper into a concise summaries. It is very useful for literature review, enabling the researchers to quickly identify the key points, finding out the important thing without reading the entire document. Mainly, it is being used as a paraphrasing tool where you can change your sentence in a more academic tone. Next tool which we are going to see about is a plagiarism detection, the Turnitin tool. It detects the plagiarism by comparing submitted text against a vast database of academic papers, journals, websites, and student submissions. It also identifies the similarities, including exact matches and paraphrased content, ensuring originality and encouraging the proper citations. The Turnitin generates two types of originality report. One is the plagiarism report and other one is the AI plagiarism report. Here they use the color codes for similarities and provides links to original content, helping writers to identify the areas needing proper citation and ensuring the academic integrity. So, with the help of Turnitin, you can rewrite the paper by yourself by knowing what is the originality of the report before submitting to any conferences or journal. After writing the manuscript, you can use Turnitin as a base to check your paper's plagiarism. The next tool which we are going to see is consensus. So, consensus helps the researchers by offering a shared foundation of knowledge that they can build upon. When the researchers understand what is widely accepted in the field, they can ensure the work is grounded in proven theories and findings, making their research more credible and relevant. Here, by aligning their research with widely accepted views, researchers can strengthen their arguments. Consensus supports their claims, showing that their findings are in agreement with or expand upon the established understanding of the topic. Here, it is a literature survey tool where easily you can find the research gaps with the help of the existing paper. Consensus also helps the researchers in identifying the area of further research where the focus is required. By understanding what is generally agreed, the researchers can pinpoint the gaps, contradictions, or unexplored area that their own research can address, advancing the field. The consensus or methodological approach provides researchers with a clear direction on which research methods are more effective or accepted in their field. It helps them to avoid reinventing the wheel by following the established practices that have been validated by the academic community. It also ensures the acceptance by the academic community which is aligned with the research, which is increase the likelihood of the acceptance of the paper, because we have identified the research gap in an effective way, and we are going to contribute to a novel work based on the consensus. Next tool which we are going to look about is answerthis.io. Here, this is a question and answer platform which uses the manuscript which has published already, and it helps the researchers to find the relevant answer or insights to the specific question. Even if you can upload some of the manuscript which you have downloaded as a reference, and instead of reading the whole manuscript, you can get the answer for few of your questions, like what is the key research area, what is the methodology used, what is the software used for performing a particular operations. All those things you can get the information with the help of answerthis.io. The researchers also could use the platform to get explanations of complex concepts, clarify the doubts in a relevant field of studies. The literature exploration also can be done by using answerthis.io. You can discover the literature or you can upload the existing literature for a specific research topic, and from a pool of academic resources you can get the answer. You can generate the ideas and insights by using answerthis.io. It also serves as an inspiration by presenting different perspective of research questions, which helps to refine the thesis or the research question, guiding the direction of the paper. Improving the clarity and accuracy of the paper can be done by using answerthis.io. Here it could assist in ensuring that the information in an academic paper is accurate and clear. Researchers can verify the validity of certain arguments, theories, or methodologies before including them in their writing. So you can get the peer expert review mechanism also. It is very useful in getting the feedback on early draft in an academic paper. It helps to improve the quality of writing and addressing the potential weakness before you are going to submit the paper into some of the journals or conferences. Next tool which we are going to see is a PaperPal. It is an AI powered tool which is designed to assist the researchers and academician in the process of manuscript. This PaperPal can be used in an online platform, and also you can add this as an extension in your Microsoft Word. Whenever you're writing parallelly, you can rewrite the sentence and improve the quality of your writing uh, in line with the writing process itself. It enhances the quality of the research paper by providing personal suggestions for improving the manuscript, such as you can go for language refinement, citations, management, and content optimization also. PaperPal analyze the structure based on the grammar, based on the flow of paper. It also suggests to make some editing to make the content more clearer and more concise. It also assists in aligning the manuscript with specific journal formatting and submission guideline, helping the authors to streamline the submission process. Overall, the PaperPal aids in improving the readability, coherence, and adherence to academic standard for successful publications. So it is very helpful to improvise your grammar. Suppose if you take some online platform, you have to upload the paper or you have to copy and paste the paper to get the grammarly feedback or to improve your language. But here in PaperPal it is a extension, and directly whenever you are writing you can get the suggestions from the PaperPal and you can rewrite to make it more readable and to improve your grammars also. So the next tool which we are going to see is BibGuru. As Mendeley, BibGuru is also a citation management tool. Not only these two tools, we have several tools for citation like Zotero, and all those things are there where you can cite the references. Here it is an online platform where you can store your manuscript. It simplifies the process of organizing and formatting the citations. It helps the researchers to generate accurate citations in various styles like APA, MLA, Chicago. For books, articles, website, and other resources also you can use it. You can ensure that reference is accurate and it is formatted, saves the time and reduces the risk of errors. Additionally, it allows the researchers to organize the references, making it easier to manage the sources throughout the writing process. By streamlining the citations and organizing, BibGuru enhances the efficiency of academic writing and ensures compliances with the citation standards. So any one tool, if you are comfortable, you can use it. It is not required that you have to use all the tools for referencing. You can use some of the tools for literature surveys, some tools for referencing and citations also. Don't rely on all the tools. Next one is a napkin. It is also a AI tool which allows the researchers to quickly jot down and organize their thoughts, helping to structure their research paper effectively. It aids in drafting the outline, planning the sections, and organizing the key points before starting the full manuscript. This helps the researchers to maintain the clarity and flow throughout the writing process. Napkin helps to streamline the drafting process, allowing the researchers to focus on content creation rather than formatting. It also supports revision process, making it easier to track the changes, manage the feedback, and incorporate revisions into the manuscript. So it is a tool for drafting your manuscript. Next one is a lucid chart. It is also a infographic tool where you can use it for your presenting your drawings in the manuscript. Here it helps the researchers by creating a clear professional diagrams and flowchart to represent the complex process, systems, and relationship. Whether illustrations, experimental setups, data workflow, or conceptual models, lucid charts allows for creating a visual aids that enhances the understanding of the communication within the research paper. Researchers can also use lucid charts to visually represent theoretical models, frameworks, and hypotheses in their academic work. These visuals helps clarity of abstract concepts and make them more accessible to readers, improving the paper's overall clarity and coherences. It also used for organizing and structuring the information. So instead of providing the paragraphs and paragraphs of your ideas, it can be presented and organize the ideas and data's research findings into a structured visual formats such as mind maps and concept maps. Even you can upload the paragraph and convert it to a exact drawings. It helps the researchers to organize the thoughts during the writing process. It also ensures that the paper is in proper logical flow structures and that key points are highlighted in an effective manner. Lucid charts also facilitate collaboration between the researchers and co-authors. It allows real-time editing, feedback, and visual comments. So parallelly, two or three researchers can use a lucid chart at a time, ensuring the real-time editing and also feedbacks on visual elements, ensuring that all the stakeholders are aligned on the representation of the ideas and the processes. This collaborative features is a highlight of the lucid chart which streamlines the development of the figures and diagrams in a coordinated manner. It enhances the clarity and readability by transforming complex dataset and ideas into a concise diagram. Lucid charts improves the readability of academic paper. It also enables the researchers to present information visually, which is especially important in the field of data analysis, system design, or scientific experiments, making the research more accessible to readers from diverse disciplines. So, the next tool which we are going to see about is SciSpace. SciSpace is also a AI powered academic assistant which helps the researchers to read, understand, format, and write the research paper effectively. So here, SciSpace allows the users to upload the PDF and ask the question directly about the paper. Suppose if you want to frame a table by uploading some 4 5 papers, that is also possible in SciSpace. So you can use SciSpace to explain the complex paragraph. For example, you are reading a paragraph in a reference paper, you are not understanding it. In such case also you can ask the SciSpace to explain the complex paragraphs, equation, technical terminologies in a very simple language. So literature understanding is possible by using this SciSpace. It extracts the key insight such as objective, methodology, data set details also. You can extract the conclusion from the research articles. You can ask n number of questions and get the information from the article which you have uploaded. In total, it will reduce the time consumption for reading a whole manuscript. This will help you to read the manuscript and extract the data. SciSpace also provides journal templates and automatically formats manuscript according to the specific publisher's guideline. If you want to use Elsevier, Springer, or IEEE guideline and you want to change the journal formatting, it automatically formats manuscript according to the template. But this version is available in a paid one. Whatever the tools so far I have discussed, all have a free version, and the enhanced version you will be get it in a paid one. The referencing link, it identify the cited works and help the researchers to explore the related studies. For example, if you are uploading a paper, in the reference some of the paper is there and you want to read that paper, you directly provide the link to the paper. It is also useful for the STEM researchers. It interprets the formulas and structured table for better comprehension. So far we have read about different types of AI tools which helps the researchers to write the paper in an effective way. You can use for jot down the structure of the paper by using napkin, chat GPT. You can use consensus, size space for reading them other manuscript, and also a literature survey you can do it effectively. Sometimes it is being used to find the research gap of the work also. And you can use BibGuru, Mendeley for citation and also referencing. I hope I have discussed some of the AI tools which is useful for you. And thank you for listening.